Hey guys, today we're gonna make slime. This is how you make slime without borax, without contact solution. You don't need anything. You need baking soda, but like, come on, everybody has that. So, first step, most important step, put your glue in. All right, the glue is the most important part. Okay, we know this. All right, so once you have your glue, you want to add any color you got. All right, so, just put a little bit. Obviously, you don't want to put too much. I like to put in the cap first. And, really, you just got to eyeball it. So, I have this skewer that I'm mixing with. Well, that looks kind of beautiful, actually. It kind of looks like a cake. So yeah, just mix it until it's homogeneous. All right, so it's looking pretty good right now. If you need more, add more. Obviously just do it to your color preference. I like the way this looks. It's good for me. This is what you want to avoid. You don't want to get it on your fingers because it'll stain. So try not get it on your fingers, guys. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to get your baking soda and just put a little bit in. There should be exact measurements in the description, but I just eyeball it because I'm a professional. So you just want to mix that in. All right, now here's the important step, guys. You need some hydrogen peroxide. So, I don't know if this is like really safe, but I use it every time and it comes out pretty good. So you put a liberal amount in, and I don't have contact solution, so this is what I use. And something happens, so it must work. And when you need to, just add more baking soda. Don't be scared to put it in. Worst case scenario, you just put more glue in, right? It's starting to congeal. It's starting to get more slimy. So you just want to keep at it, make sure it's properly mixed. Just keep on adding it in. Some things online will say, don't add too much. But I say you can never have too much of anything. So, do what makes you happy, guys. It's the most important part of life. All right, I'm putting more peroxide in, guys. This is really unscientific. And you know what? I lied before. This is my first time doing this. I'm making this up as I go. So if it doesn't work and you followed this far along, sucks to be you. But... man, this is not going good. I really thought it'd work first try, so sorry about that, guys. But this is just fucking glue. This is just fucking just thick glue at this point. So I don't know what I'm doing. All right, now is our secret weapon. We're putting cornstarch in. All right, cornstarch is really what's gonna tie everything together. I think. I fucking hope, honestly. If this doesn't work, it's done for. Now you can see it. Look, it's working. Guys, it's not working. So you just want to keep on mixing. And as you can see, it's getting pretty slimy. It's important to mention that you can't eat this stuff. I learned that the hard way. It is not good for you. At this point, you sort of just want to give up and just start throwing random shit in there. So that's what I did, and it ended up pretty good. So I'm putting some talcum powder in there. So that should do something. This has a lavender smell, so so it's quite odorous. And sometimes you make mistakes in life. So then you just want to find your laundry detergent. And make sure it has, this doesn't have an ingredient list, but make sure it's good. Don't use a bad one. And you just want to put a little bit. I mean, you don't want a lot because it'll mess stuff up probably. Oh, that smells good. So this is the secret weapon, really. Look, as soon as you add it, you can see. This is, I mean, look, we've made it. We've made slime. We've made slime, guys. Oh, man. I really didn't think it was going to work. You got to add the detergent, guys. I mean, I think there's probably borax in there, actually. That's probably why it's working. Anyway. As you can see now, we've created slime. Look at that. That's slime. Hell yeah. So, that's good. I'm going to throw a little bit more food coloring in there. Why? Because I feel like it. And I do whatever I want. Alright, so just mix that. Oh, man, it's thick now. Oh, it's thick. Oh, damn it. Yeah, you want your slime to be like this. Don't listen to anything anybody else tells you. If you're not fighting with your slime, you're not doing it good. God damn it. Alright, at this point, you want to reconsider some of your choices. Because I feel like this was a bad idea. But you just got to keep on going. So I'll add my secret weapon. My secret weapon is actually more cornstarch. So just throw that in. Probably do something good. Look at that. You can already see it working, doing its magic, drying it out and stuff. And at this point, you might have to start using your hands. So if you don't like getting your hands dirty, this is not the tutorial for you. Oh, damn it. Damn it. Oh, damn it. Oh, damn it. Oh, it's sticky. Yuck. Yuck. Oh, that sucks. All right, if you're anything like me, guys, do not follow this tutorial. Because this stuff is nasty. I mean, if I was you, I wouldn't make this, honestly. So this is what it looks like after you knead it a bit. What I'm going to do is add more hydrogen peroxide. It's important to mention you don't want to get this on your hands. But I am a trained professional, so I'm going to get it on my hands. Don't worry, it's not bad for you, I don't think. Guys, everything's going wrong. I don't know what I did wrong. This ain't slime. I've created, I don't even know what I've created. I think if you were going to do it at home, guys, I would do nothing that I did. Do it completely the opposite. Because, I mean, this is messed up, man. This is bad. That's actually not that bad. Oh, no, this sucks. Yeah, don't do what I did, guys. Alright, guys, so I might have done a lot of things wrong, but I have a compromise, a little backup. I'm just going to put some apple cider vinegar in there. Oh, that's too much. Guys, don't put that much in. Do not put that much in. Oh my god, it's fizzing. Oh, dude. Oh my god, this is bad. Oh, alright, don't do this, guys. Do not let it get to this point. Because this is wrong. This is just wrong. Oh, it smells too. Oh, jeez. Alright, this slime sucks, guys. This slime sucks ass. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Alright, so this is how your slime should look by now. As you can see, it's really bad. But don't worry, it'll get better. You just need some shaving cream. Alright, so you might need a lab assistant for this part, but just put your shaving cream in and just mix it. Oh, damn it, I'm making a mess. And just mix it in. So you just, you shouldn't do it like this, guys. This is a bad way to do it. Oh, it's not mixing in. Oh, it's not mixing in. All right, at this point, guys, you might want to accept defeat, but you can't. You have to keep on going and push forward. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in more dishwashing liquid. Oh, that's too much. That's way too much. Guys, do not put that much in. That's bad. That's unhealthy. Put some vinegar in there. And I mean, really, you just have to hope everything works out. So, oh, guys, this is bad. I mean, it's just not working, is it? It's really just not working at all. So I think if you keep on mixing it, though, it will end up pretty good. So just keep on mixing it. I'm just going to mix it for a few minutes, and I'll get back to you guys. And as you can see, guys, all you have to do is mix. Look at this. It is a perfect consistency slime. You know, I know we had our struggles, but look at that. I mean, come on. You don't get slime much better than that. It's nice and fluffy. Yeah, that's perfect, isn't it, guys? So just make sure you keep on mixing, never give up on the mixing, and it'll get you far. And I think there's a life lesson there, guys. Just never give up. Never back down. Always commit. Always do what your mind tells you to. Don't listen to other people. If you think something's right, it's probably right. So, yeah, guys. Well, that's how you make slime. So, drop a follow, drop a like, comment if this was helpful. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.